Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the LiveNet TV app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty simple and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app code downloader. To do so, you would have to go to search on your device. So you click on that button with a magnifying glass button and then go to search bar. And from here, you have to start typing downloader. So as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Therefore, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. You click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. And to do so, we'll have to go to settings, so we need to click on that button with a gear icon. After that, scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll need to turn on the developer options on your Firestick. However, on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you need to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So, if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So you open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you go to install known apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of applications on your Firestick, which is located right here. We'll open it. And now here is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Monaco right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we gotta go straight to downloader. Here it is. Let's open it up and wait until the app opens for you. And now what you gotta do here is just open that search bar, and now in the search we need to start entering a code, which is gonna be 912526. So once again, it's 912526. That is the code you have to enter. So just enter it as you see, and then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And as you can see, the file was already downloaded to your Firestick, so you just have to click on install, and now LiveNet TV app will be installed to our Fire TV devices. And after it was installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now what you gotta do on your Firestick is actually go to settings one more time, back to My Fire TV, open developer options, install known apps, and this time turn on that option for LiveNet TV as well, because this way the app will be able to update itself when needed. And now finally, let's go to the list of apps. Here it is, we'll open it up. And when it loads, you'll find the LiveNet TV right here. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and, of course, out of trouble online. Then you can finally open LiveNet TV application. Here it might say that it wants to update itself, so just click on Update Now. And now the download of the updated app version has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds, so download already is successful. Then you click on Install again, and now the update will be installed. After that, you click on Done, and then open the app again. And now from here you'll get access to thousands of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, India, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app, but in your case, of course, it's not going to blur it. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.